If you want to buy the best phone Apple makes, you will need to start with the Apple iPhone 14 Pro. When you want to protect that investment, you will need to start right here with our top iPhone 14 Pro cases. The iPhone 14 Pro is so new that we haven't had a chance to try it out with all of these new case options, but we are familiar with all of these makers and we know what we need. We need a case that can survive a drop and that can especially protect the cameras on the back. Since that is our most important upgrade this year, we might need a case that is super slim or a case that is extra rugged and maybe even waterproof. Style is always important, but not if we have to sacrifice protection and durability. All of our case picks are compatible with Apple's MagSafe features, so you will have no problem charging your phone without having to remove the protective cover. The phone is so new that we haven't had time to test these cases yet, but all of our picks come from proven manufacturers with a reputation we trust. So you can feel confident trying out any of these or similar options from the same brands. Speck has brought many of its iPhone 13 case designs to the iPhone 14, including such popular transparent models as the Presidio Perfect Clear and Perfect Clear Grips and the Presidio 2 Pro. Speck's cases with built-in MagSafe cost around $50, while its Candy Shell Pro case remains the least expensive at around $25 but does not have MagSafe. All the new models have good drop protection, 13 to 16 feet depending on the model, as well as Speck's microban antimicrobial protection. No matter which model you choose, Speck often gives a discount for first-time buyers. For the iPhone 14, Apple did a little something different. The smaller mini size is gone, and now there are two sizes of the standard iPhone 14. Along with the two sizes of the iPhone 14 Pro, both lines now come in 6.1 and 6.7 inch sizes. The 14 and the larger 14 Plus, as well as the 14 Pro and the larger 14 Pro Max, both of which boast extra cameras always on screen and the unique dynamic island display feature. Each model has its own specific case, so make sure you are getting the correct case to fit your particular iPhone 14 model. As always, when it comes to new iPhone, you have a wide assortment of cases to choose from that will help protect it from dents and dings, and most importantly prevent your screen and glass back from cracking. It's impossible to choose a single best iPhone 14 case as everyone has different needs and tastes. But any of the options available should do a good job of keeping it safe. Protection is key, of course, so look for things like military drop test standards and other concrete information on this. Beyond that, consider how bulky you are okay with a case pick. More protection tends to mean more bulk. You will also want something that you like the hook of, or if you want to show your phone off, then maybe something transparent. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and check the description box below to buy the enormous deal on Apple iPhone 14 case.